Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this week's video. As you can see in the title, I'm just going to get straight into it. Okay, we're going to be doing another hair growth challenge. One of the reasons why I'm doing a hair growth challenge is because it's summer and my hair's getting burnt in the summer, and I thought to myself, you know what, I don't want my hair to break off. I've done so well, almost a year of hair growth challenges. Another reason why I decided to do this black rice hair growth oil is purely because I found that, you know, I was just trying to put my mind together. I was trying to think about it. And I was thinking, if I put oil in my hair and the sun's beating down, the probability of it is my hair is going to have a nice hot oil treatment in the day. Hey! So, with all that said, this particular challenge is going to be about oils that are going to be helping our hair penetrated into the scalp, thus giving us hair growth. I know, genius, right? So if you want to see what this challenge includes, then hang about. So before I show you all of the ingredients and how to put it together, I'm just gonna, hello, the hair. The hair is ready to be co-washed, believe it or not. Look at the shine on my hair. Okay, I do have some frizz. Don't know if you can see that. I do have frizz forming, and the curls have got a little bit looser just from, I don't know, different styles that I've done. I mean, look at the body of my hair. I haven't used Mr. Pick again. I'm using that less and less these days because I'm achieving the volume that I want. I think it's these hair growth challenges that is helping me create these massive big Dinah hair looks. Hey, so now enough about the hair. I'm just going to talk you through exactly what I put together with this hair growth oil. Brahmi is an excellent hair growth promoter. I love it. The only thing I don't like about it is it's just got a kind of foodie type of scent to it, but apart from that, the fact that it's a promoter of hair growth is going in the mixture. Now, Brahmi also supports scalp circulation, which in turn nourishes hair follicles and reduces hair loss, as well as strengthening the scalp tissue to encourage healthy hair growth. We all know about henna. I'm always talking about henna. Henna was the mother of it all, simply because its power to fill in all of the gaps in your hair strand and make your hair appear a lot more thicker than it is. And listen, it strengthens your hair. Who doesn't want henna in their mix? Next up, I'm going to be using nettle. And if you're not sure about it, I did say nettle, but nettle is what you see growing in best parts of Europe and in Asia in your garden. You know, that weed that is a stinging nettle? Yeah, that's what I'm putting in, nettle. So this herb is rich in vitamins A, C and K, iron, silica and omega-3 fatty acids. They're all amazing stuff for your hair growth. Now, another thing to notice about nettle is that it's an astringent, so it has the ability to reduce an overproduction of oil to your hair and your scalp. And not only that, it works great as a volumizing treatment and adds fantastic strength to your hair growth. On to the mother of seeds, and that is fenugreek seeds. Here I'm using the fenugreek seed powder because I just feel that it's so much more convenient than using the seeds, because I would have to infuse the oil a lot longer, probably 1 to 2 weeks before the oils are actually infused and take form from the extraction of the seeds, and I didn't want to do that because I'm impatient. Now, fenugreek seeds is great for all hair types, and it provides natural proteins, vitamin C and other nutrients for nourishing. Plus, its antioxidant and inflammatory properties help with dandruff, scalp irritation, eczema and acne. Now, I'm going to be using here Horsetail. Horsetail strengthens the hair shaft and keeps hair shiny and healthy. Now, for those of you that don't know by now, where have you been? Aloe Vera is great. Absolutely, it's like the super plant for moisturizing. Now, if you didn't know already, aloe vera contains about 75 active constituents, and they can include anything like antioxidants, amino acids, enzymes, and essential vitamins. All these nutrients work as a team to nourish your hair from the root and enhance hair growth. Are you getting it? All of these ones are good for hair growth. So I'm going to put in MSM, and the reason why I'm putting it in is because it has sulfur chemical compounds in that is found in plants, animals and humans. Yeah, that's right, it's found in us, MSM. Now, the reason why I love putting MSM powder in is because it can form bonds essential to strengthen hair, influencing hair growth. hair growth again. Now I'm going to be using the black rice water because I want to find a way to incorporate the black rice water to actually mix all of the powders together to form some kind of a paste. It's really important that I put black rice in it because you know the black rice water is good for my hair. My hair thrives with black rice water, so I'm going to put it in, alright? I'm not leaving it out. The black rice water is amazing for my hair. When you've found something, just stick to the thing, eh? Don't make it complicated in your life. If it works, it works. If you want to know how I prepared this black rice water, it's really not difficult. I'll leave a card up here that will show you exactly how I made this black rice water and how I fermented it. I basically had a light bulb moment. When the oils are being infused, not just from the powder, but infused from the powder that's come into a paste and formed a lovely sorry. My thinking is, you know, I'm quite genius really. I wanted to make a paste so that when I put the waters in, when I put the oils in, everything will be infused from the you know, from the powders, from mixing together with the black rice. You know, genius, eh? Genius. You can thank me later. So I'm going to be putting all the oils in now. In case you don't know already, olive oil is great for moisturising the hair. It treats dandruff, it's rich in vitamin E, and it helps rejuvenate the hair follicles. I'm moving on to this beauty, which is the rice bran oil, which I discovered from one of my lovely friends on YouTube who left a comment that I should try it, and my hair responds extremely well to this oil. And as we know, rice contains inositol, and so does the oil. Now, inositol is a carbohydrate compound that prevents dandruff and reduces split ends. It also promotes hair growth. I also decided to put in the apricot oil because I love the rich properties that it holds. Apricot oil is a wonderful emollient that makes hair and scalp softer and pliable. We all need soft hair, you know what I'm saying? Now, what I love about apricot seed oil is that it actually increases the hydration level and reduces dryness. Put that thing in now. We all know about hemp seed oil because it's mighty fine. Now, one of the many benefits of hemp seed oil is for strengthening the hair. It also improves blood circulation to the scalp and it ensures that the hair follicles are nourished enough for hair growth. I'm not saying anything anymore. Now, you may be wondering what I'm going to do about the smell because fenugreek seed powder stink. So I'm going to be adding in rosemary. So many of us use rosemary essential oils. It's great for stimulating hair growth. It is a powerhouse of essential oils. Now, rosemary is from an aromatic plant and it packs a ton of antioxidants. So the next thing to do for this DIY, we've got to infuse the oil. We have to infuse it with all of the aerated powders. There are a few ways to infuse the oil. One way you could do it is just put the lid on the container, put it in a cupboard, and leave it for 2 weeks. That's right, 14 days. Well, actually they say 2 to 4 weeks to get a really rich infusion of all of those powders and seeds. Then strain it out, decanter it, and use the oil. I'm not doing that. Sorry, no, I'm not doing it, okay? Or you can do what I did, like an impatient natural here. What I chose to do is put the bowl in the saucepan of boiling water. I turned down the heat to very low and left it to completely marinate and do its thing for about 2 hours. After the 2 hours, I then took out the bowl, left it on the side, covered it up, and left it there for another 2 hours. So my oil was left for 2 hours before I decided to strain it. And here is the result. It's not bad. Well, this won't make my hair smell like a curry house. So all of the powders that has been laying at the bottom of the container has been strained away from the oil. I then put them in separate containers, pop them in the freezer, and when I want to do a nice rich deep conditioner, I will defrost it and apply it to my hair. You don't waste it, okay? And all I'm going to do now is put it in one of these containers that has a nozzle like this because I need to be able to direct the oil. So let me just run it through with you what I'll actually be doing with this hair growth oil. So in the morning I'll be taking my oil and I'll be just lightly, not as, you know, not intensely, and then I'll just rub it in. Just make sure it's all massaged in because what I don't want is it to run down my face and make me look funny. But we're going to be really specific. So I'm only putting a little bit into my scalp in the morning. I'm going to be putting my hair up. I'm just going to be tucking my hair away just making sure that I do 14 days of protective styles. In the night time, it'll be a little bit more of a hassle for me for the next 14 days. So I'll be taking my growth oil and I'm just gonna really strategically put it all over my scalp. And then we're gonna massage our scalp. So every night for 14 days, 14 nights, we're going to massage our scalp. Now the last time I did a hair growth oil for mega whatever, I'm going to leave the card up here, you can see. The problem I had with it is that I was massaging my hair, I was doing this motion and my hair was literally getting lots of tangles from the root area and I was getting lots of knots. And I did actually have a little bit of breakage. I did want to get the Vanity Planet, however, it's a little bit pricey for something that I could do with my fingers. I found this gadget, didn't I? So this gadget is an electric scalp massager. It's actually got silicone, squidgy, really soft bristles here. You can see, and it has a 3-step setting. Let me just show you. It's the first one, a continuous pulse. This is the second. So that's now a beating pulse. And the third, yeah, love it. This was a nice cheapo and I can definitely testify that this is a brilliant gadget to use. It's so soothing. This is beautiful. Well, as you can see, you know, this is making me very tired. It does make me tired and that's why I love doing it at night time, because it just helps me to get from on my phone last minute at night to sleep mode. This is perfect. I'm going to be doing it for about 3 minutes, no more than that, because before then I'm wanting to sleep. Oh. I'm not going to measure my hair because I measured it in the last video and ain't nobody got time for that. I shall refer back to that video. It was only a couple of days ago, and so I will remeasure my hair after the 14 days. Lastly, before I go, I just want to say we hit 10,000 subscribers. We did it, guys. We did it. Thank you so much to so many of you. Lovely friends. Thank you so much for your support, all of your love and your conversation. Thank you so much. And all of the new subscribers, I really appreciate you joining me as well, and you know, just being lovely, because that's what you are. And those of you who have watched to the end so far and you decide you're not sure, you might as well consider subscribing, because, you know, because I want you to. I'm doing a giveaway for us hitting 10,000 subscribers. So I'll be picking 2 beautiful winners this time. I will leave the details in the description bar below. And a week after this video is uploaded, I will actually close it and get in touch with those who have been picked. So guys, thank you so much for watching. You might want to watch this one. It's a good one. I'll see you again in my next video. You take care now. God bless you. Bye.